Smart lock installation tutorial. Front lock, rear lock, buckle gasket. Screwdriver, square rod, rear lock fixing screw, lock body, lock tongue, buckle gasket screw. T. IC card. Install the front lock screw tool. Tighten with pliers. Thread the square pole through the front lock power cord. Note: be sure to insert the square into the front lock hole and lock it. Insert into the square hole of the front lock. Rotate it to see if it is stuck. Adjust the lock tongue door thickness according to the door thickness. If the door thickness is 60 mm, there is no need to adjust it. If it is 70 mm, the lock body needs to be rotated to 70 mm. Loosen the fixing screws of the back cover. Remove the back cover. Installing lock cylinder. Tighten the lock cylinder fixing screws. Thread the power cord and square pole through the middle hole of the locking tongue. Install the rear lock and thread the power cord of the front lock into the rear lock hole. Align the square rod and fasten it. Tighten the rear lock fixing screws. Connect the power cord of the front and rear locks. Insert battery number 7. Arrange the power cord and cover the back cover. Tighten the screws that secure the back cover. Installation is complete. Fingerprint and locking. IC card and locking. Key and locking.